What up, guys? Coach Miguel back again with a video, and you probably clicked on it to check it out, but yep, I got the Troll Tamer from Marine. One real quick thing, you guys, I want to tell you guys about is the Troll Tamer. Most of you guys will know, but if you don't know, the Troll Tamer is basically you put under your trolling motor here. This is the one I had before, and it keeps it from all the bouncing to keep the shock away from the front of your trolling motor and loosen up bolts, screws, or whatnot. But yeah, these right here, this one it was okay, but we happened to come back from the Delta and this was gone, and I thought it was gone completely, but it just happened to be over here inside the foot pedal. So, but I decided to upgrade it to the Marine stainless steel Troll Tamer, which is freaking awesome. So, all right, real quick, we're going to talk about what tools we need. So, first thing, drill bit. Drill and 13mm wrench, or a ratchet with a 13mm socket. I'm going to use one of each. Alright, so I'm going to be installing this Troll Tamer on the minnkota maxxum. It's a 65-pound thrust. And what I did, what you can do, what you're going to do actually in the beginning is, I had already did it because I knew I was ordering this. But this piece right here goes in here. It's easier to take this off because it goes basically all the way up here. Actually, look, I'll show you guys real quick. It goes up here, so it'll go in here. But take that off, it'll make life a lot easier. I put a log right here so I have room to drill. Alright, so we'll drill a hole. It has a hole here already, but we're going to drill a bigger hole because we got to get this bolt that the Troll Tamer has in there. Obviously, it's not going to fit. Alright, so I had to get a 5/8 socket. That's going to be on the top. The bottom, I got a 13mm to put here to hold it in place while I tighten the top one. So I put it basically against the bottom of the boat to hold it in place, because if I hold it here, it's going to be spinning. So I'm going to straighten it out here. Basically right there. Or actually, keep it over here. Right there. Then hold this here. Looks good. So now we want to put this up and keep this, put this and see where it's going to actually land. Actually, you'd want to put this on first. Put this back on first so you know how far down it's going to go, so we can actually screw this up to make it perfect onto where that clicks in here and lands perfectly. So let's do that. But let's install this thing, and then we can know exactly where it's going to go. This is much easier with two people, by the way. Oh, and you know what? You take these off right here. Though it'll be a lot easier to put on if you take those off. Probably the other one out, so. Now we can just slide in. Oh, you know what we did last time? Put these in. These are kind of difficult to put in though. Okay, he's gonna get off the camera and help me. So we'll come back, we're gonna have these on. Alright, after some hassle with those little things, drive you nuts. I really recommend having another person. I mean, you probably can have somebody probably knows how to do it a lot faster, but that was hell. So, now what I'm doing is, I'm basically putting it down to see where it barely locks in, and to where this is, actually you don't even really have to know like where it barely locks in, because you can adjust that after, but you just want to know where this is going to land, so you can put this. So we already put it down. It's not bolted in, so it's kind of hard to do. Crap. Okay. So we basically put it down where you think it's going to be. Then you just come down, and then you're like, okay, adjust it here, and then come down. And then I would probably go a little bit more forward towards us, so when it slides in, it locks right there. So I think this is a perfect spot right there. Figure out, so I kick it right there. Right there?
Mm-hmm.
The little pre-holes. Go. Let's see how this works. Woo! Solid. So now we can actually adjust, or make this tighter to where right when it clicks in, and it's in down here, you're good to go. There you go. I'm gonna jump up on top. Here, I'm gonna hit my head. There you go. Nice. Well, I hope that video was as short as I wanted it to be. If not, I appreciate you guys watching the video, and I hope this helped you guys out if you got one of these minnkota maxxums. And like I said, they make these for all trolling motors pretty much. And we're going to be heading out to the Delta, so this was a must need. I had to get it ASAP. It got here, and we should be going to the Delta tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video. Peace out.